JD Cap 26 here, just do tips and pairs and hobbies, and here we are with another video. I hope you're enjoying my videos. Well, anyway, on this one, it's about texting your friends, texting people you need to text for contacts, texting anybody you need to contact, and you do that with your iPhone, of course, or whatever device you have, an LG, whatever. Well, some people don't text me, not the right time, this and that, blah blah blah. You know what I tell those people? Take a bucket like this and throw your phone in it, okay? Because obviously you don't want to communicate, all right? And when you come to that stage with somebody in your contact list, let me get my phone, okay? Hang on. We're not going to really throw it away. What you do is you go to your contact list and you go to that person, the friend, whatever. You put no text in notes. Make a notation on your phone that says they don't want to text, they want to communicate by text, but do find out how they do want to communicate, obviously by phone, by a phone call. So you do that for your friends and your business contacts, and the ones that do want to will reply to a text. Put yes, reply to a text. That they reply to a text in that nature, so when you send them a text message, you probably get one back. And some people are like, maybe, sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. Put maybe text, in that contact for Bill Smith or whatever like that. Bill Smith will text me back. Jane Curtin will not text me back, and so forth. So when you go to that person, not to text them, because it's a real pain in the ass, to tell you the truth. And I'm sorry I swore, but it really is. People don't call me after 9, don't call me before 8, this and that. Put that information down in the contact, so you know. Okay. That's the video. It's kind of a ranting video, but not really, because I just wanted to convey to you that this is what you need to do, so you don't run into any problems, arguments, this, that, whatever, when you're trying to communicate on your cell phone. So thanks and have a good day. I hope this helps you, and we'll see you in the next video.